It's Adventures with Eli. That's me. I'm back.
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
Good? Is this good? What is up, you guys? Oh my god, it feels good to be back. I wanted to do a weekly vlog. I haven't done them in so long. Sometimes I feel like my life's not exciting enough, and then I get messages like, dude, why didn't you put this in a vlog? And I also put on my story asking like, hey, should I do more weekly vlogs? And you guys were like, heck yeah. So my mind is everywhere. I'm gonna try to get it organized so I can just show you guys my everyday life. This is my room. It's a little messy. It's a little dirty. Alright guys, before we carry on any forward, I just want to tell you guys about Hint. If you guys didn't know, and I love that I sound like an ad. If you guys didn't know, I am a Hint ambassador. Ooh. Watermelon is one of my favorite flavors. No, but seriously guys, Hint water is probably my most favorite water in the entire world. I don't know about you guys, but I've been on a health cleanse lately, and I have been trying to drink a lot more water. And sometimes the taste of water could be water. Thank you so much, Hint. I love being an ambassador. Woo! If you guys haven't tried Hint, seriously try it out. Let me know what you think. It's 0 calories. Does it get any better than that? I wanted to vlog just to kind of give you guys like an update of like what's going on in my life, where am I at, how's things going, how's going in here, and just everywhere. There's so much I need to catch you guys up on, and that's why I think I should be doing these a little bit more. Also too, I've been job hunting. So I don't know if you guys know, unemployed but not really. Like I'm a freelance videographer, editor, photographer, graphic designer. I'm doing it all. So I'm making a lot of side money right now, like doing some side jobs for people, whether it be from graphic design to video editing to yada yada yada. And then also too, I'm working on a super cool project of my own, which I feel like you guys should just be the first to know. Should I tell you guys right now? I'll tell you later on in the video. I'll tell you later on. But it's super dope. I'm very passionate about it. I'm excited because it's my own baby. It's my own money, my own investment. I'm the CEO. All that fun stuff. I'm making all the executive decisions. And I'm making it legit. So that should be a big hint. I've been shooting my resume here, there, because I want to get a legit professional job. And like me, I always have to work in a fun job, like a fun atmosphere. I can't do no 9 to 5, sit down and be like, I've already applied to like PacSun, BuzzFeed, and Disney. Which it's funny that I'm bringing up Disney because pretty much I used to work at Disney before and I forgot to return my costume, so I'm on the no rehire list. So today we will be taking a trip because I want to return my costume, and in the future, what if I want to become an executive? What if I want to run the theme park, you know? Like, I won't be able to because I never returned my last costume. And that's when they had their diamond celebration, which was for the 60th anniversary, and then my regular name tag. And also too, I used to be in guest relations, so my costume used to look like that. These are my random cool little pins that I have. And just like, yee! If you guys were ever wondering what's all right here, it's just like random little knickknacks, colognes, different thing. I also have more colognes down here. So we're gonna be doing that today. I need to stop by the bank today. We're gonna see some friends, and then we have a fun adventure tomorrow. Also too, if I've been talking funny, so I did a brand deal with Bite. I'm gonna leave my code down below. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but they are straightening my teeth out. And also my teeth are only getting whiter because my dentist hooked me up with free bleaching trays and kits because I got a cleaning done this year. Not this year, this month. I'm really proud because I used to have all crooked teeth down here. I'm able to touch it because I have the trays in now. I have like, I think 10 more weeks of wearing these, and every week I switch out a new tray. It's been super dope. Panda! Panda! Hi! Hi! Also too, I have been hitting the gym non-stop. Only because I have really cool trips where I wanna, you know, wanna look a little good, you know, just get into shape, slim down, and stop looking like a chunky monkey. So I've been hitting that. I want to show you guys what I'm taking, what I'm doing. But I'm talking too much. Let's just get this weekly vlog going. Why is he just everywhere? So I have this little hidden closet, and I actually found my costume in here. Well, bam! Here it is in all its glory before I return it back to the Disneyland Resort. So again, like I said, I'm gonna be returning these back to Disneyland. I never did when I stopped working there. I just forgot to return them, so now would probably be a good time. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys some cool little things that Disney does. I used to be in guest relations, blah blah, and they give you a whole wardrobe. So in here's my whole costume, and there's so much little detail. Like look at the little details of the buttons, and then this one too. The buttons are all just so little. So all of them have this little secret QR code, which is this little magnet thingy, and you scan it through, and there's like, they're hidden somewhere in almost every piece of clothing. So like sometimes they're right here. Yeah, so look at, there's one right here. So pretty much when you get your costuming at Disney, it's this giant, really amazing room where you see every single costume. Every single area has their own costume, and you get to find your size. There's fitting rooms to make sure they fit good. Even if you're going into work, you have locker rooms, you can go in there and change and stuff. But you're allowed to have 3 costumes out at once. So if you work multiple rides or multiple sections, you can have 3 different costumes out at once. When you grab your stuff, you just go through this like little tunnel thing where they scan and look for those little magnetic strips that you just saw. So that's also how they know if you returned a costume or not. So as you can tell, those magnetic strips have not been scanned in years, and they were last attached to my name. So that's why Disney had me on the no rehire list. So I can't get rehired because I technically have company property that I never took back, which was a complete accident, but I will be returning it today. So we'll go on that journey. God, it's so hot in here. Oh my God, I just checked right now and it's 88 degrees. That's insane. Today's just a day of running errands, getting my life together. What is your guys' life up to? That's what I'm wondering. It's freaking hot in here, hot out there. I love the SoCal weather, but you can feel the summer heat is already starting to come. If you guys didn't know, I have my very own favorites playlist, and I'll also link that down below. I'm linking everything down below today. But I update my favorites playlist on a weekly basis. I've been updating that playlist for the last 4 years. I try to update it every single week, but it's just like my favorite songs. Most of them are brand new or never heard of songs. And then there's sometimes those random throwbacks or like really dope songs that I'm like, oh shoot, I missed this song, and I'll throw that back into my favorites. All right, I think we're gonna go to the bank first, so let's go. I have finally made it to the bank. Does anybody else drive through parking lots like this? And I just passed by a cop, like legit like this, like holding it on his ear. It's like, come on, dude. Come on, dude. You had one job. Also, Anaheim has really been fixing up the area. And look at these new apartments. This is called the Center City Apartments, and wow, they're pretty nice. It really makes me want to do apartment touring again because that was so much fun. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump into the bank, so I'll be right back. Well, that was quick, and yes, I did wear a face mask when I went in and everything. Do you guys ever accidentally spend $100 because I just accidentally spent $100? You're probably saying, Eli, how do you accidentally spend $100? Well, I was on StockX, and if you guys don't know, that's like a streetwear brand. And you guys ever put in a bid, but you're like, they're not gonna take my bid. I know streetwear already is overpriced, but I'm not trying to pay a higher price than needs to be. So I put in a bid for $100, me not thinking they would actually take it, and it got sold. So your boy came up with a new Kith Treats shirt, which is super dope. Also too, I'd love to shout out this brand that I'm wearing. It's called Free and Easy, and this is it's a Los Angeles based brand, and Free and Easy has sick designs. You know, obviously I'm into streetwear. Hint, hint, maybe that's why I was at the bank right now. I'm not throwing too many hints, but as you can tell, I'm into clothing. I love Anaheim, it's so beautiful. Wow. Now we're gonna go off to the Disneyland Resort because we need to drop off some infamous costuming clothes. Also, fun fact, this is the packing house. I used to be a manager here. If you guys have never been to Anaheim and you want to experience something really cool down the street, I really recommend the packing house. If you've ever been to Disney, you'll know this infamous bridge to the Mickey and Friends parking lot. But today, we'll be making an extra early turn right here because this is going to take us backstage of Disney. So I'm going to be dropping my costume off at TDA. If you guys don't know, TDA is Team Disney Anaheim, which is pretty much the backstage of Disneyland, and where I'll be dropping off my costume. Let me show you some cool stuff though. There's this infamous house right here that's always been on property since they built Disneyland, and this is where I'll be dropping my costume off. Obviously, I can't film while I'm backstage here at Disney. I don't even know if I was allowed to film that. I'm sorry, Disney, don't get mad. But I just dropped my costume off, so they said in about 2 to 3 weeks, I'm able to get rehired here if I were to apply again in the future, which is good, so let's go. But wait, real quick, let's see a glimpse of Star Wars Land. Star Wars Land! So I don't know if you guys know this, but Disney's been closed for over a year now, and it sucks. This looks really bad. But I was working at Disney and with Remy at the same time for almost 6 months. I worked in guest relations, which was the costume that I returned, which I thoroughly enjoyed. You're like a Disneyland ambassador slash tour guide slash get yelled at by parents and crazy people. But also too, I have so many great memories, and this isn't an ad for Disney at all, but I genuinely am so grateful that I work there because I've learned the best customer service in my entire life. I'd say world-class customer service I really learned there. I'm not gonna lie, working at Disney was kind of like going back to high school because there's a lot of immature people that also get hired there. No tea, no shade, just there was drama, you know, like every workplace though, like every workplace. One thing I notice about me is that it's not that I just love Disney, is I love theme parks. I think I keep up with theme park news more than I keep up with regular news. I always want to know what's happening in Universal, Knott's Berry Farm. And I think when I think about the overall picture, I just love thematic immersive experiences. So I love going to a place or a restaurant that has like very themed, detailed, from the lighting to the music that they play to the interior and exterior design, just all the sights and sounds. And I think my dream job would be to like design and also help enhance areas that need more thematic settings and stuff like that. Also too, my other second dream job is to be a game show host. So I know I'm going to be able to do both one day. I just don't know which one I want to do first. You know, they really say shoot for the stars, and I really do. I feel like this entire vlog has just been me sitting in a car because that's what I've been... I can't speak. But that's genuinely just what I've been doing all day. And now I'm getting a car wash. Because my car is filthy. I was trying to show you guys the outside of my car, and you could see how filthy it is. So I was like, might as well get a car. Wow, this is some good lighting though. Shoo, I should film some sponsorships in this car. Ooh, we got that power wash action. My car really needed it. It was really filthy. I think the last time I got a car wash was probably like 2 months ago. Alright guys, I'm here with Bella, and what do we have here? She helped me with my photo shoot.
We have Hint water.
We have your son.
He's all naked. Do it.
Well, look who we have here. And oh, what do we have right here? What's this, Bella?
This is Hint, the water that makes you love water.
Okay, but you've never tried Hint, so can you try Hint on camera to let me know what you think? Pretty good, right? And it's 0 calories, all natural, and it's water but with taste. I wouldn't say all natural. Chilling by the pool and Bella's taking selfies. Alright guys, I made it over to Matt and Nora's house. Of course, we had Bella, who you just saw right now. But Nora made us dinner tonight. Look at this. She made grilled chicken Caesar salad and what is this?
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. How exciting.
With spicy man.
You're the best. Thank you, Matt, for inviting us over.
Thank you for blessing us with your presence.
Yeah, well, we have Dri, which you haven't seen. Look at her.
All mood.
Dude, she's just enjoying. So, Bella, how do you explain your daughter? She's on no words. Ooh, the table is finally getting set. So we got all our food, and even Dri's got her food. Say hi, Dri. We got our Welch's cider right here. Wow, this is really good. So I guess this is like Welch's, like apple cider, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. You guys, it's a virgin. Just to be clear, it's virgin.